Chinua Achebe, that great writer from Nigeria who wrote as his magnum opus, his greatest book was Things Fall Apart, but people have not read his Ant Hills of the Savannah, in which Chinua says he does not know from what inexhaustible wells of patience the poor man in Africa draws. He is constantly abused by politicians and he or she does not react. He goes to a public rally and he is sitting under the hot sun. He or she is sitting under the hot sun. But the so-called leaders are sitting in air-conditioned places watching from afar, and then they harass them on the roads with their never-ending motorcades. And after they have finished, then they have a choice of the best food in the world, and we do not get angry. Africans must get angry.